Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Phakade blames kaMandonsela for all the troubles his householder is going through. Phakama banned kaMandonsela healing staff after learning kaMandonsela made Khanyo burn Muti in his house. Kulego get visit from his ancestor father Macingwana, and he tell him that he must stop testing them. Kulego must forgetting that Figile is a living and they borrow him. It will end in tears between Figile and Kulego. Kulego can't believe that Father Macingwane is him. Do you think will be easy to Kulego to forget Figile? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.